planning a trip to Dubai? Looking for the best attractions to visit? Look no further. Introducing CityLaila, your ultimate ticket provider for over 200 plus top-notch attractions in Dubai. Why choose CityLaila? We've got you covered. With our extensive range of tickets, you can explore the most popular and iconic attractions in Dubai, hassle-free. From breathtaking skyscrapers, luxurious resorts, thrilling theme parks, to cultural landmarks, we have it all. Imagine strolling around the world-famous Burj Khalifa, standing on top of the world. Feel the adrenaline rush as you conquer the thrilling rides at Dubai parks and resorts. Immerse yourself in the rich history and tradition at the Dubai Museum. The possibilities are endless with CityLaila, where you can save a maximum of up to 25 to 30% on your purchase. They have also popularized the combo products, where you can visit 2 to 3 attractions at one price. The combo deals became quite popular in recent times and has increased their sales tremendously. Your satisfaction is our top priority, and we strive to make your Dubai adventure unforgettable. Don't wait any longer. Visit our website, CityLaila. Thanks for watching.